Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis. But before we start that, quick reminder of the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey that we've started together of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing, and details are in the description below. In today's video, I'm going to be providing a stock update for ticker symbol NLST, Netlist. So before we do that, I want to have a quick recap of two stocks I covered in my previous two videos. First stock I covered was ticker symbol BBIG, also known as Vinco Ventures. This is a stock that I covered in my weekend video, and at that time I did make a prediction that I believe this stock would go in excess of $5. And at that time it was trading around about $4. So we can see on the chart here, it did at one point go early on in this week in excess of $5.50. However, it did come back down from that $5.50 to around about the $4 mark. And on the screen now, you'll be able to see the current price of BBIG at time of editing. In the previous video, I did carry out more detailed due diligence on ticker symbol BBIG, so please refer back to that video for more information with regards to the key updates. And it's still a stock which I think is going to have huge potential going forward. There has been some positive developments, but let's now have a quick look at the short squeeze score time of editing. On the screen here we can see it has a short squeeze score of 91.9, and it's number 5 out of 5,431 stocks, and it also has no short shares available at time of editing. And the next stock I'd like to do a quick recap on is ticker symbol ILUS International. This is also a stock that I covered over the weekend, so please refer back to the previous video for more detailed due diligence. And at that time of video, it was trading around about 26 cents. And we can see here, on market open on Tuesday, there wasn't any significant change. But on the Wednesday, we did see the stock go up in excess of 20% at one time. So on the screen here, you can see at one time it was in excess of 31 cents, so a great positive increase. So congratulations to everybody who got into ILUS. And at time of editing, you'll also be able to see the current price right now. In this video, I'd like to talk about Skillshare. Skillshare is a website for lifelong learners, creative and curious people, beginners and also pros. It's also an online community with thousands of inspiring classes for everybody who loves learning. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Skillshare website. Another benefit of Skillshare includes it being ad-free. So let's now have a look on the home page here, what kind of things you can search for. And as you can see here, you'll get a recommended for you section. So you can search for courses here. We can see on chart analysis. And once you type that in, you get all sorts of courses on chart analysis. You can also have stock trading. And you can choose searches. Your search will include lots and lots of suitable courses for trading, and one course that I'm interested in is cryptocurrency. So if we have a look at cryptocurrency, if you search that in, you can see here lots and lots of classes to choose from. So let's now share one of the courses that I'm currently doing and having a look at in cryptocurrency. So this is a course that I've chosen. It's by Dominic Dantes, CMT macro trader at Dantes Outlook, and the title here is Intro to Cryptocurrencies, Blockchain and Crypto Trading. So on the right here, you can see I have an option of 8 lessons. At the beginning, we have a crypto course introduction, blockchain 101, GDAX platform, technical analysis, which again is useful, chart setup, strategy and risk, crypto portfolio, future of blockchain. So if we go down, we have features about the class, written details, class projects, and you also get a profile of Damien. So an excellent setup here, and again ad-free. If you would like to take advantage of Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to sign up in the link in the description will get 1 month premium for free. So please go ahead, details in description below. I'd like to now provide a stock update for ticker symbol NLST, Netlist. There was an update on Wednesday, and what happened was the Netlist lawyer Shasby submitted a filing. So let's have a look on the screen in terms of the details of the filing. So we can see here what it says in this filing. In light of the above facts, none of the factors the Northern District considers beyond the interest of justice justify this case to remain in the Northern District, and the interests of justice strongly favour to the Central District on these unique facts. To be clear, Netlist is not filing this motion because it likes one district over another. Netlist is filing the motion because it has been waiting 13 years to address action by Google that profoundly harmed its business. And the Central District is a less impacted forum in which an Article 3 judge can feasibly take up the case. So there was a disruption with regards to the January the 12th date, and I think that was more related to the judge rather than related to Google or Netlist. So hopefully once we have confirmation of movement to the Central District, then it seems to be they're probably going to be less chance of a delay, less chance of any disruption. And again, at the bottom in terms of the conclusion here, it said, for the foregoing reasons, this case should be transferred to the Central District, and this was dated January the 18th, 2022. Let's now have a look at some further reasons why this transfer was requested, and further down we can see here, transfer is justified for the following reasons. First, Google is no stranger to the Central District. It has located major operations in the Los Angeles area. And second, the Central District is dramatically less congested than the Northern District, with patent cases pending for an average of 352.6 days versus 603.9 days in the Northern District. So good justification in terms of hopefully getting a speedier outcome. And with the elevation of Judge Cole to the 9th Circuit, Netlist is concerned that this gap is likely to only increase. And finally, third, there has been no substantive rulings in the instant case, and there is no currently pending schedule. So overall, what this basically means, there is a delay, and what this also means is Netlist is doing its best in terms of getting the case heard. In terms of a future confirmed date, there is no future confirmed date. We are waiting for that. Let's now have a look at the impacts of this on the share price. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see the chart for ticker symbol NLST for Wednesday this week. And we can see as soon as the news broke, lots of red candles, and the stock at one time very quickly was trading around about the $4.25 mark. And then we can see huge green candles, big strong recovery, touching over $5. And then it did seem to get support around about $4.80. And so at time of editing, it was $4.92. In terms of volume, we can see there was a huge amount of volume in this stock. Average volume just in excess of 1 million, and we saw a huge amount of volume in excess of 2.2 million. So lots of interest in the stock. There is no bad news. There is a delay. In terms of the general fundamentals of the case, these have not changed. And hopefully, once we get this date, then we'll get a little bit more stability. And finally, for advance notification of such changes with regard to a stock, join us in our Discord, where information is normally shared live, and details in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.